Oh, we gotta shoot an intro though. Steve and Jake here. Today we're gonna relocate our battery. Steve and Jake here. Today we're gonna redo our battery.
I had this in my hand, man.
Steve and Jake here with Get Torqued. Today we're relocating our battery. And it's cold.
Oh no.
Then I'll just move that to the front. It'll be perfect. Our intercooler plumbing gets in the way of where our battery goes. That's the whole intro.
Yeah. So today, I'm gonna relocate the battery into the trunk. And I have to drill a big hole through the firewall.
Yeah, we definitely need to probably pop more space through the firewall somewhere. But yeah, our intercooler plumbing gets in the way. All that looks pretty solid. This is nice and tied loosely. Got this here for now.
Gotta make a clean workspace. It's about the only where it really fits. Because obviously there's some. It would be weird putting it up here. You know, nothing lines up on flat. How are you gonna get a bolt up under there? It's probably hard to get to that spot. Yeah. This spot might not be that bad.
I don't know, the axle and everything.
Oh yeah, you're right. No bueno. What if he's just fucking putting 90,000 zip screws in it?
Have to.
I know the one side needs to come up.
Well, that would be about level anyway. But then it's gonna kind of maybe bang, so we might want to just take a self-tapper anyway.
Yeah, we're gonna put a restrictor underneath it so it doesn't bang.
Or both. We got electrical tape, right? We can layer that shit.
It's got some like flaps.
So we may, oh, I'm knocking over the GoPro. We might bolt it up here. We might pop some holes in this. Bolt it to the back.
Yeah, that's not a bad idea. I like that. Dude, right here. We already got it. Got it. Always use it. We're using it for this. Now it's getting used to the battery.
And then we're gonna move the.
Then we'll just secretly bam.
I mean, I could just make a plate with a rod on it that we could fucking just still use this, but in the front, like you were talking about.
So you think you do it?
Yeah. I don't have any punches here though, so
I brought drills, but yeah.
Drilling is gonna be kind of weird. Or do you think back there? Back there's.
I mean, back there we go through the floor, longer cable. This way, we don't drill any holes in the floor.
I wonder if we don't use AGM, it probably has to be fully contained. We might want to get one of those plastic boxes.
Yeah. I mean, those are at Harbor Freight.
I was thinking, because some of the shit we do, we could fucking get splashed. If we came to a complete stop, I'll bet battery acid does some funny shit. You know? And we won't even be thinking about what's splashed all over the backs of us. Right. We'd be more concerned with whatever the fuck we would hit.
Okay. need an Allen wrench. Eventually, where are they at?
In the basement.
Oh, sweet. Okay, never mind. I'll just cut it then. Don't have to worry about that.
Holy shit.
Almost took my... slipped my wrist.
Almost killed you and the cameraman. The cameraman never dies though. So I don't know how that would have worked out.
That one's taped.
I was gonna say, it almost looks like it's taped, huh? I better back up. Dude, we got RTV over it. What's going?
Christ almighty.
He got it. He got it. The other end though.
Yeah, we gotta have a rally on Thursday this week. So I think we just gotta figure out where the white wire goes. So I'm gonna leave all that intact. Maybe we'll cut it. Okay.
I just saw it a second ago.
Yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to handle this here now. I need a hole. Make sure I hold on. Put these wires here.
No answers. There's no way to get a good angle without holding it. Yeah, that spot should be cleaned up.
Yeah. There's two of them. Bet you we won't. One goes to that bad boy. 120 ampere. 120 amp is just says main small block Ford. It says main SPF.
What does that mean?
Small block Ford. Didn't know there was a 302 in here. Crazy.